Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and today we're outside a Detroit area business. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be mounting a mailbox for the business. It is a table and chair rental business. Now let's get around to seeing what our mailbox will look like. Okay, this mailbox is a key in and key out mailbox for the mail. We will be establishing that now. We have a general location that we're going to go with. Let's take you over there now. Now this is the placement that we are going to pick on the wall. We're going to go approximately, or first it's going to be eyeball like that, but I am going to use a tape measure. I'm going to put it generally like that. And the only reason we're going to put it in this corner like this is because as you see that opening, we want to protect that from rain. Because as you can see, let's see if I can show you. This is a mini awning, so our mailbox will be protected. If we were to place it here, the mail would get wet. So we elect to place it on this side. So let's start. Now our tools for this install will be a hammer, will be a concrete drill bit, a 1/8 inch or in size. We're going to use our hammer drill, and of course we have a hammer and a screwdriver. Now let's get this up. Okay, so what we have here is we are going to place the mailbox accordingly, line it up. We're gonna go 10 inches. We're gonna, that's gonna be our spacing with the mailboxes. Let's get that done. And we're 50 inches from the ground. So that'll be pretty decent. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up. We're gonna take our Sharpie pen, mark out our space on the wall where we're gonna be, 50 inches off the ground, 10 inches from this one. We're gonna mark our little spaces, which we've done. Now let's get that drilled. Okay, nice and slow. The hammer, make sure we're right. Get it on the mark, as you can see, and slow it. Okay, that's our first one. Okay, now here comes our second one. Now let's get our third one. We got 3 done. Okay, now let's get our wall anchors in. As such, we can easily push them in. Okay, now let's grab our mailbox. Okay, now let's begin to mount it. I'm gonna first screw this one in. Let's see if you can see that first. Okay, we have our first screw in here. We're gonna go ahead, tighten that up now. The other two will come in as we have the unit mounted. Now we're not gonna go too far, it's just to slip it over about right there. Now, mailbox as such. And as you can see, we're on our mark, exactly 10 inches from our last one. All right, let's get this mounted. Get these bottom screws in if you can see. There they are there. Okay, get one in at a time, push up on it a little bit. Put our screwdriver to the side momentarily. Okay, it's kind of tight, but we got it. Okay, that's that one. Now let's get this other one in. Okay, now let's get those tight with our screwdriver. Okay, that's tight. Almost. Get this other one. All right. A nice, clean install, professional look for the business. Get our bit back. Okay. That's a little tight there. And let's see how that looks. Now, as you can see, our mailbox is up and ready and waiting for the mailman. And with that being said, let's go on to our next job. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be safe, think safe, and see you later. Talk to you later.